Hello, so I'm so excited. So many of you might know that I have just been searching the universe for a massage therapist, and here she is. So we are so lucky to have found Nori, and I wanted to take a minute today to introduce everyone to her. So world meet Nori Swennes.
Hello.
She is our newest, latest, greatest, best ever licensed massage therapist. So we love offering massage to our patients because we believe that that is one way that people get much better, much faster, and stay better. And I don't find a whole lot of people that argue with me about how great massage is, you know?
No, you don't run into a lot of brick walls there.
Right. It's pretty much the consensus. We love massage, and
People love to
massage
be
loves
touched.
us. It's so true. We all need more touching in our lives.
When people get massaged, studies have been showing that cortisol levels are reduced almost immediately. Your heart rate goes down, your blood pressure is reduced. Even your blood sugar is temporarily reduced after a massage.
Yes.
And your body starts secreting all those hormones that make you feel good. Serotonin, all your happy chemicals.
Yes. And so if you tuned into our video recently about hormones and stress and how those are closely tied, a way to prevent and treat that exact problem. So Nori, tell us a little bit about why massage. What got you even into massage?
So I started thinking about massage therapy as a career when I was probably about 9 or so.
9 years old?
We got into a car accident when I was a kid, and our insurance covered chiropractic care and massage therapy. And my massage therapist was just the coolest lady in the world. But then I kind of put that idea on the back burner. As an adult, I went down a whole bunch of different educational and career paths, and I finally started thinking about massage therapy again as an option when I moved to Cleveland, Ohio, just about 2 years ago now.
Where did you move from?
I moved from Providence, Rhode Island.
Yeah, so
It's
welcome to the area.
To food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You came in a good time. In case you like football, our football team is really starting to show up and get there. So, I don't know.
Yeah, football.
Okay, all right, that's fair. She'll be a Browns fan soon.
So I started thinking about it again because my sister and my best friend both sent me the same book at the same time. It's called The Body Keeps the Score by Dr. Bessel van der Kolk. It's Dutch, can't tell. And it's all about how the body maintains this imprint of trauma, of psychological trauma or physical trauma. Your body keeps track of that. And what's really interesting about that to me in the book, they explore the possibility that by treating these physical manifestations of trauma, it makes an easier pathway for clients to address their trauma psychologically. And of course, here we don't help you address your psychological journey. That's out of our scope.
We tell you you should. We guide you along. We now have someone who can help with that on staff.
So that's what really got me interested. So then Ohio has a really great massage therapy school right here in Cleveland at Tri-C in the Eastern Campus. The staff is amazing. The facilities are top class. Like, that's not a phrase, sorry, but
yeah,
it's really nice facilities.
Top notch.
I love the program, and it's super affordable, more affordable than anything I've seen.
That's wonderful. And I can vouch for the teaching they do there because I had Nori work on me, and I am like, I'm feeling great ever since. Even I'm already feeling the effects. Like my shoulders are feeling better.
For like 10 minutes.
It was a week ago, yeah, and we had to rush. So I mean, when we turn this off, we're probably we're gonna try again. Just make sure we have it down pat.
Yeah.
So then that's amazing. So I love that you look at one thing that we found that really lined up about our philosophies, and why I was so excited to bring Nori on board is because I talk about physical, chemical, and emotional stressors and how they are all tied in. And then even just in your own message that you carry and your own mission that you carry, you address through your physical work, the physical stressors, of course, but also the chemical stressors, which you mentioned, which is those cortisol levels and the hormone, the blood pressure, and the blood sugar.
They're like this.
They are. And the emotional. So you get that emotional release when you know you're taking good care of yourself too. So everything when we started talking really just aligned well, I feel.
Yeah, I'm really excited to be here.
That's wonderful. And so who is like your favorite client to work on, or your favorite style of massage and or technique, or expand on that a little bit? Like who out there that might be watching right now should book right now because they're your perfect person.
Are you in pain? I bet that you're in pain.
Right.
So most people are in pain. A lot of people might not realize that they're in pain, because pain is the kind of thing that it hurts you one day. Maybe it's a little more tolerable the next day. Maybe the third day you don't really notice it as much, so you think it's going away, but you're just getting used to it. You might interpret this as like neck or shoulder tension. You're like, oh, I carry my tension in my shoulders. And then if you can actually experience the benefit of massage and these therapeutic applications, I like to work with the soft tissue in a way that really addresses these problems in a direct medical way. So I love providing that relaxation massage. That is a really valuable experience for a lot of people, to get you into that parasympathetic state where your body can calm down. It's really great for anxiety, for insomnia, and it also can help unwind those muscles. But I really like going after the muscles themselves and addressing the problem. And it goes hand in hand with chiropractic work too, because while Sara's adjusting you, your muscles don't really know what's going on. So a massage before or after a chiropractic session is a great idea, because beforehand it's going to warm up that tissue and make it a lot easier for Sara to do your adjustments.
Yes.
And afterwards it's going to help that muscle to learn.
Yeah, keep it from tensing right back up, because it can just pull that bone right back to where it was. So that's why it's not just one adjustment or one massage that does it. The body has to learn almost like a whole brand new muscle memory pattern. It has to relearn how to function optimally.
So we teach muscle school here.
Yes.
But really, everyone is my favorite client. Each client has, like, you look at the leaves on a tree and they all look the same. You pull them down and you notice that one has fibers going in one direction and one has a scar in this other place. And really all of our bodies are as similar and as different as those leaves on the tree. And no one has the same body. No one has the same set of problems or the same sets of aches and pains. We're all suffering in our own different and unique way. And it's really rewarding for me to be able to work with somebody to figure out what is causing their pain and to help relieve them of that, so that they can experience that relief. And so that even if they're not thinking about it consciously, that pain isn't weighing them down in the rest of their lives.
Yeah, absolutely. So what we want to do is we want to be able to offer 1 hour massages. We also want to offer 90-minute massages for those who just need a little more time. If you've been chronically tight your whole life, and typically you go to a massage and you feel pretty good, but maybe it just doesn't feel like you made all the progress you want, you might need a little longer. So we want to offer that to you as well. I know some people just need that much longer to really get in and get to a therapeutic level. We also want to offer 30-minute massage. So for people who are coming in for their treatment plan, they're getting adjusted and they just need a little more time, and it makes all the difference in the world.
30 minutes is a really great option for focus work on a specific area.
Yeah, so like this one muscle right here that won't go away and won't quit, and I hear it every day, so I just know I can see your faces and names popping into my head. But yes, that is what we are going to offer as well. And then there are going to be some bonus days when Nori might be here and be able to offer up to about 15 minutes just before or after to give her a try. And
you should be getting a massage chair soon.
Exactly. So we will have a little bit of everything to offer. And then last but not least, we are having our stress workshop this Thursday at 6:30 p.m. It's going to be at the office. So I will be doing a talk about anxiety, depression, stress, and the overall look at what that does to the body. Our health coach, Katie, will be leading you through a do-it-yourself body scrub, which includes Epsom salts, which are magnesium in there to help relax the muscles further. And
I'm excited about that.
Some of our essential oils. So everyone will get a little take-home sample of that. So you'll be meeting someone who we recently brought on board to use the space as well. Her name is Diane, and she does something called Aroma Freedom Technique. So you'll learn about that, using essential oils to help heal emotional bad thought patterns, rid yourself of negativity, and live a better, more positive life emotionally. And then Nori now is going to be there offering her services up as well. So what are you going to provide for us on Thursday?
I'm going to offer a guided self-foot massage. So this is a really good option. I think I could talk endlessly about the healing powers of touch and what that can do for you, but sometimes there's not always somebody there to provide you with that touch when you need it. So foot massage is a really great way to give yourself that touch, because, I mean, if you think about it, your feet are pretty much the farthest thing away from you on your body. You might forget about them all the time. They take a lot of abuse. You walk on them, you stuff them into uncomfortable shoes. So if you can give yourself a foot massage, I like to do it with my eyes closed, so it really feels like
somebody else imagine it's someone else.
I'm getting a little intimate here, but
I always tell people, shake hands with your feet at least once a day.
yeah,
Like just touch them,
and then
they'll
wash
thank
your
you.
hands.
Yeah, and then don't touch your face right after. So we are going to have that guided foot massage experience as well. And even if you've ever heard of reflexology, there are so many beneficial points through that correlate to different areas of the body, and acupressure points, and the list goes on and on. So any amount of touch and massage to your feet is going to reap benefits throughout the entire body too. So we're so excited for that. Again, so excited to introduce you to Nori.
And I'm happy to meet you all.
Yes, and please comment below if you are interested in booking an appointment, have any comments or questions, and we will see you soon. She's here starting today, so
Yeah.
give us a call. All right.